Assalamu alaikum. Welcome all to Easy Human Anatomy channel. In this video, I discuss some confusing terminology used in nervous system. Nerve, tract, lemniscus, fasciculus, funiculus, fiber. Actually, all are the axons of the neurons of nervous system. So, I discuss this terminology in this video. Let's start the video. At first, the nerves. This is the tractographic picture showing the spinal nerve. This is olfactory nerve. The nerve which collects sensory information is known as the sensory nerve. The nerve which convey motor information, motor nerve. So, nerve is the collection of the nerve fiber, collection of axon outside the central nervous system. The cell body of this axon may present within the central nervous system or may not present within the central nervous system. This is histological picture of the nerve. Nerve trunk is surrounded by epineurium. This is nerve bundle or fasciculus. This is surrounded by perineurium. Within the nerve bundle, the small collection of the axon known as the funiculus. This is nerve fiber. The pink dot is the axon and white area is for myelination and surrounded pink area for endoneurium. Tract. Tract is the collection of the axon within the central nervous system. Some tract descend from the cortex to spinal cord. Some tract ascend from spinal cord to the cortex. So, the tracts mean collection of the axon within the central nervous system. This is the cross section of the spinal cord, inner gray matter, outer white matter. This group of axon is known as the tract. This is tract showing in tractographic picture. Now, fasciculus. Fasciculus is term used to describe small bundle or subdivision of the nerve fiber within a nerve or tract. So, this is tract of Gall and tract of Bardas. It's subdivided into two parts, fasciculus gracilis and fasciculus cuneatus. The medial longitudinal fasciculus. It is a paired, highly specialized and heavily myelinated nerve fiber which made up of both ascending and descending fiber. This is the location of medial longitudinal fasciculus, and in cross section of the midbrain, pons and medulla oblongata, this is the location of medial longitudinal fasciculus, and this is medial longitudinal fasciculus. It links three nuclei of the which control eye movement, oculomotor nuclei, trochlear nuclei, and abducens nuclei. And this nuclei is connected with the vestibulocochlear nuclei. So this is the ascending fiber of the medial longitudinal fasciculus, and this is the descending fiber of medial longitudinal fasciculus. Fasciculus in the brain. This is the superior and inferior longitudinal fasciculus. They particularly connect the two lobes of the cerebrum. This group of axons connect two lobes of the same cerebral hemisphere. Lemniscus. This is the cross section of the midbrain. You see, this is the collection of the lemniscus, medial lemniscus, trigeminal lemniscus, and spinal lemniscus. Spinal lemniscus. This is true ascending tract, anterior and lateral spinothalamic tract. This spinothalamic tract is combined in the medulla oblongata and form the spinal lemniscus. So, lemniscus is the part of tract. This is medial lemniscus. This is fasciculus gracilis, fasciculus cuneatus. This is the nucleus of the fasciculus gracilis, nucleus of the cuneatus, and axon of this nucleus is cross and from the internal arcuate fiber, and these fibers are together known as the medial lemniscus. Trigeminal lemniscus. In this lemniscus, this is group of axons which arises from the main sensory nucleus and spinal nucleus of the trigeminal nerve. Fiber. Fiber within the cerebrum. They are actually group of axons which present within the cerebrum, and sometimes they exit the cerebrum and reach the other part of the brain. Projection fiber, association fiber, commissural fiber. Projection fiber. Projection fiber are two types. This is in case motor nervous system, corticonuclear, corticopontine or corticobulbar fiber. The corticonuclear fiber is synapse with the brainstem nuclei, and corticospinal axons is synapse with the motor neuron of the spinal cord. And this fiber leave the cerebrum to the cars cerebri of the midbrain. From the lateral part, temporopontine, paritopontine, and occipitopontine fiber is leave the cerebrum. From the middle part, corticospinal, corticonuclear fiber, and medial most part, frontopontine fiber. So this is the frontopontine fiber. Show the other fibers within the cerebrum. They are all group of axon. This is commissural fiber, connect the same lobe of both cerebral hemisphere. Summary. Nerve. The collection of the axon outside the central nervous system. Tract. Collection of the axon within the central nervous system. Lemniscus. Part of the tract is known as the lemniscus. Fasciculus. Division of the tract, subdivision of the tract known as the fasciculus. Subdivision of nerve known as the fasciculus. Subdivision of the nerve fasciculus known as the funiculus. Nerve fiber, they are located within the cerebrum, and they are maybe a part of the tract or part of the fiber which connects cerebrum with cerebellum, cerebrum with other part of the brain. So this is all about today's video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe my channel. Please, thank you for watching.